What's up, flawless gang? I'm back with a brand new video. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial on some new glam. I'm so excited. So We Makeup sent me over their entire collection of their autumn set. So they have different sets for their different seasons. So they have a winter set, spring, autumn, and I think summer. So my skin tone and my credentials that I put in for the test, it actually showed that I was the autumn set. So that's the set they sent me. It's so cool to find out which season is actually for you because of your undertones, your skin tone, and just the colors you like, you know what I'm saying? So I think it's so cool. So we're going to just sit down, get cute, and we're going to beat this face. I already have my makeup done off camera because We Makeup does not currently have their face products out yet. They have only eye makeup, so that's why I had to come on camera with my face already beat. But we're gonna do the eyes, and then we're gonna pull the look together with a lip. So that's what we're doing today, y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. So before I do get started, make sure you guys are following all my social media. Instagram, I am shalishasflawless. Snapchat is princessgirl18, and Twitter is xsexualistxox. And of course, please subscribe if you are not already and join the Flawless gang. I would love to have you here, part of the family. If you would love to see more of me, subscribe and stay tuned for more uploads. So all that being said, let's go ahead and finish this makeup look and get right into We Makeup. Okay, so like I told you guys, We Makeup sent me their autumn set, but I'm gonna let y'all know how I did that. So I'm gonna display it over here. Let me move over. So the test is called the We test. So this is going to tell you which actual season makeup set is perfect for your skin tone. It asks you all about, you know, your favorite shades and just all of that personal about you. So we're going to click go to the US site, and then we're going to click start the We test. So first it's going to ask you about summer. It's going to say in the summer your skin burns easy, reddens, then tans or tans. So me, I click tan. So because I'm of course black. It asks you what's your skin tone. I clicked medium right now because it is spring. You know, my skin's not super tan like in the summer. If it was summer, I would say, you know, darker because, you know, my skin gets tan. So I said medium. Then what's your hair color? So of course I'm going to click dark brown. Eye color, going to click brown. And then here you go. It tells you exactly what products, and it tells me I would be best for autumn because of what I put in. I think this is so cool. I think a lot more companies should offer this just so that we can get a better view of what we should really buy. You know what I'm saying? It really helps when you just put in, you know, your skin tone. It just helps you with the best colors that are for you, because I know for me, some shades might look better on lighter people and some shades might look better for us darker women. Like we look really good in like pops of color. Like we look really good in like golds and oranges and browns and maroons. We look good in those colors because our skin tone. Now the lighter women, they look better in like pastels. Like they might look good in like vibrant neons and just different colors like that. It just depends on your skin tone. I'll have We Makeup's link to the We test so you guys can check it out. It's so cool, and it tells you directly which set is for you. So they sent me over the entire autumn set. So we're gonna go through the eye one first. This one has less products than the lip one. They gave me a lot of lip products. Okay, so first they gave me a few eye brushes. I have a blender, a pencil, a short shader, classic shader, and a dual end with the spoolie with the eyeliner brush. So these are in here. I'm so glad because I needed some new eye brushes. Like, how did y'all know? So I'm so glad to have these and see and test how they work. Next, they sent me over this. I believe this is an eye pencil. Yes, this is a cool eye pencil. So we have that. Then we have a mascara. So you guys will see me unbox all these. You guys will see what they look like, the packaging, when I do it in the tutorial. And then this is a liquid eyeliner pen. And then they sent me this super cute mini eyeshadow palette that I can customize myself. So these are what the pans actually looked like. They were just little pans, and you can just, you know, put them in there yourself. So I kind of customized mine from lightest to darkest because I think that's just the best way to do it. So this is how I customized my palette. I coordinated it by color. I think it's so cute. Only thing is, I wish like they had some type of like sticker or something that you could put on to see what the name of the shadow is, but I just used a little Sharpie to just write on top what color I'm using so I can see and let y'all know what I'm using. So this is so cool. I love this palette. It's so cute and the colors look amazing. So that's what we're going to use today. And y'all know I love lippies. That is some of my favorite. I have my own cosmetic line and I love lip products. That's why I specialize in selling cosmetics, especially lip products, because that's my favorite makeup is lips. I love lip care. So they sent me over 2 lip liners. One is red and one is brown. They sent me over a lipstick, which we will possibly use in the tutorial. I'm not sure exactly what lip we're gonna go for, but we'll see when the makeup comes alive. Then they sent me 2 liquid lipsticks. One is called Tan Cinnamon number 11, which is a brown, and then the other one is Edna Red. I love the name. The name is so cute because it's literally like pure red. Here is the color. Oh, so cute. I love it so much. So we're going to see which lip we're going to go for, either a bold lip or maybe just keep it neutral. I don't know. We'll see when the makeup comes alive. Then they sent me over this lip gloss. I love lip glosses. That's my favorite product ever. And this is clear. Y'all know I love clear gloss. It's my personal favorite kind of gloss. So this is a lip plumper though. And then they sent me one more lip gloss, and this is called let me see, Britain Caramel. So ooh, this is so pretty. And honestly, I love their packaging. It's so cute. I love the We Makeup stamp all around the top, and then it says We Makeup So lip gloss. I love it. Their packaging is beautiful on a lot of their products, and you guys will see when I do the makeup. I'm going to show you guys up close what they look like. But enough of me talking. We are super cozy today in the robe, the money robe, because we're feeling bougie today because we're working with We Makeup. We're about to get slayed and about to really do a super cute makeup look. So without further ado, I'm going to come a little closer and we're going to get into this eye makeup. So let's go. Okay guys, so y'all know I cannot see without my glasses, so I'm going to be putting them on and off so I can see what I'm doing. But I'm going to start out with priming my lids. I'm not going to mention the brand I'm using because it's not from We Makeup and I don't want to disrespect the company. This is a one brand tutorial, so I'm just going to prime my lids, but I'm not going to mention the company name. I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to just prime my lids all the way up to my crease, just so that the eyeshadow lasts and it sticks, because without primer your eye makeup is not going to last as long. So it's a key tip, y'all. If you're not using primer with your makeup, use a primer. Okay, now that my lids are prepped, I'm going to open up some of these makeup brushes so I can get started. I'm going to keep this one up here just so I know which product I'm using, because it keeps it on the back. Okay, so here's the palette. You guys can see these are the shades. So beautiful. They don't have stickers, so I'm going to point to which one. I'm going to let you guys know the number so that you guys know what shades I'm using. So I'm going to go in with a lid shade just as a base before I put down a real color. That's just always how I've done it. I'm going to take this really light beige shade right here and just put it on my lid just to set my primer my lid. The shade name is called 103, so that's that. These shadows are really nice, and this color, even though it is really light, it is picking up pretty well, so that's great. Great start. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn. So I'm gonna go in with this deeper chocolate color, and that's number 110. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Just to give some color to the lid before I lay down any like colors with like shimmer or anything. Okay, here's how we're looking now. So I'm gonna add a little bit more to my lid. I'm gonna pack that on. Okay guys, I'm trying to see what I want to do because the eye is giving like a purplish kind of color. You guys can see it's giving like a little purple. So we have some greens in here, and we have some like plumish browns, like deeper browns with a little bit of burgundy. So I'm not sure what I should do. I don't know if I should put some green in this or if I should just put some of this, like, it kind of looks like Urban Decay Sin. I don't know if I should put that on the lid and try to brighten it up a little bit. I don't know. Okay, y'all, I completely changed my mind. I want to do the green look. I'm going to put this green in my crease real quick just to give it that green look. And I'm going to put this other one in my crease as well. And I believe I'm going to put this on my lid. Or I might do the metallic on my lid and then just do the, you know what? Just watch. I'm going to put this light green in my crease. I'm going to do that real quick. Since I'm wearing a money robe, we're doing a money theme. I completely changed my mind and I want to do something simple. Let's have fun. Okay, on my lid, I'm gonna put that like metallic green on my lid, and that is shade 310. So this is gonna be so pretty. Cause like this like metallic green. Oh god, it's gonna be so cute.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside.
We're gonna really pack on this shade just so it really gives an intense green. Okay, now we're gonna do the same to the other eye.
Dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Okay, we have the green going on. Okay, now I'm gonna take this green right here that is shade 142. I'm going to put it in my crease and buff it out. Buff that green, give it like a nice cleaner edge.
All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time.
Okay guys, so this is what the eyes look like so far. I decided not to be simple. I'm gonna do something bold. Now I'm gonna go in with some liner and I'm going to line my lids. I typically like liquid liner just because it's easier. So I'm gonna take their liquid liner pen, and this is in the shade 01 Obsidian Black. Their packaging is beautiful. I absolutely love it. So I'm gonna just do a quick little, I would do a wing. I'm not sure if I should do a wing. I feel like I'm gonna mess it up, but we'll see. Let's get the line first and then I might bring it back. We'll see.
All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a screenshot.
Okay, I decided to go with the wing. I think it's pretty cute. I'm gonna see if I can achieve it on this eye. Watch I mess up. All right, y'all just don't know how like long it took me to get this wing that looks similar. Oh my god. So this is what we're working with. Oh my god, like this eye, I'm not dominant on my left side, so it was like harder. So I'm gonna finish off the eyes. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that light color in the tear duct, which is 208 right here in the tear duct. And I'm gonna use my short shader that they gave me. Just put that in there just to brighten that area up a little.
Just the one hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know.
And to finish off the eyes, I'm just going to use their Amber Brown Kohl pencil. I'm going to use a pencil brush and just put that on my lower lash line just a little bit. I just put it on this brush like that and just lightly put it underneath my lash line. Okay, and to finish off the eyes, we're going to do mascara, and this is their volume mascara. I love the packaging so much, and we're just going to put some on our lashes.
I'm gonna make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure.
It literally is giving my lashes so much volume. Look at the difference. Mascara and no mascara. Oh my god. New favorite for sure.
Have a sun adventure. I see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop.
Here is the lashes. I love them. This mascara is everything. It really made my lashes super long and I love it. I haven't had a mascara like this in a long time. New favorite for sure. I love it so much. Okay, and to finish this look off, we're gonna do a brown lip because I did some, you know, really different eye makeup. So I wanted to keep the lip really simple. So I'm gonna line my lips with their lip pencil, and this is number 5 Gordon Brownstone. And then I'm gonna put their lipstick on top, and this is the shade 05. And then to top it off, to make it all glossy, we're gonna use their lip plumper. So let's go ahead and get started with liner.
Stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm gonna take their lipstick and put it in the middle. And then to make it all glossy, let's put their lip plumper on top.
Baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying.
Alright guys, this is how the makeup look turned out. I'm gonna show you guys.
Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in a
Right outside PT. 2-turn, baby girl, you know.
I thought it came out so different. It's so cute, and I've never done color before. I really don't do color. Y'all know I'm a neutral girl, so this is so fun to dig into some color on my eyes. The lip, I believe the lip probably would have been a little bit better with just like a clear gloss. What do you guys think? I think it came out so cute and I love these products so much. So that was the end of this video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love the way this makeup turned out. It's so different and just so cute. The green just suits my skin tone so nice. I really did enjoy all of We Makeup's products. Everything was so nice. This brand is so affordable and they offer some really good makeup for, you know, the price that they offer. It's so affordable and the quality on this stuff is amazing. My favorite product that I probably use would have to be the mascara. I love the mascara so much. It was so nice. It gave my lashes like so much length and I love it. And yeah, this is my new favorite mascara. I love it. This was definitely my favorite product the entire video. This was so good. You guys should definitely get this. I love it so much. I will have every product you know, mentioned in this video down below in my description box. So as always, please follow me on all my social media. Instagram, I'm Shalisha Marie. Snapchat is PrincessGirl18 and Twitter is xxxx. And of course, please subscribe and join the Flawless gang. If you guys would like me to do more makeup tutorials, we could do some fun stuff for the spring and stuff like that. Let me know. I have so much makeup upstairs. We can get into these get ready with me's. We can chit chat, answer questions during makeup tutorials. Whatever you guys want, let me know. I'll have the link to the entire autumn set that I use and also the link to the test. Please do the test. It's awesome to know exactly which set is for you. So with your skin tone, you'll know which suits you and what colors will look best for you. So that's cool. Check it out. And I will also have the link for We Makeup so you can check out their makeup products. Please get this mascara. It is so good. I cannot even lie. I've used even high-end makeup mascaras and this is bomb. It's so affordable and I just love it. Please get this mascara. It's so good. All their products are good that I showed, but that had to be my favorite. So check out everything, guys. So with all that being said, that was the end of this makeup tutorial and I will catch you guys back in my next video very soon. Bye everyone. Mwah.